Guys, I'm going to try these nails. Do y'all remember me when I bought these nails? These right here. They're like nude with some stripes on them or something. And they're like Chinese. It's a Chinese brand, whatever. But I'm going to put these on today. And I'm not going to lie to you. Once they start popping off, that's it, y'all. Because y'all already know. Your girl has her own real fingernails, okay? These real. These mine. So, let's see how we would do this. I think in this one I have this little plastic thing here. What's that? Oh, that's the thing that do like your push your cuticles or whatever. Okay, so, well, how many do they give you? Is this thing open already? This better not have been open already. So what I'm gonna, yeah, I don't think I need all that stuff. My nails are pretty much clean. Maybe I can file them a little bit and see. Maybe the glue will stick on a little better. Okay, so let's and then too, it don't seem like it's that much glue in there. Did that look like it's a lot of glue? Look at that. That doesn't look like too much glue in there. But anyway, let's try this, and then I'll probably come back and show y'all what they look like, you know. So I start off with, dang, it don't even hardly want to come out, the glue. What in the world? Y'all, is there anything in here? It's in there, but it ain't hardly coming out. Oh my gosh. But I'll be right back. I don't know nothing about this stuff, but I just seen this in the pack, y'all. I had to put my glasses on. You see? So it has like where you can take this little tape thing right there and put it on your nail, I guess. And then, I don't know what that other stuff was because this show ain't coming out. And then I used the little pokey thing and it still ain't working. How does this go? Y'all, this might be a no-go. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's some kind of adhesive that go on my fingernail. Y'all, this might be a wrap. This is crazy. How do y'all be going through all, oh my gosh. I was just trying to do something a little bit different. Oh boy. All right, let me get started. This is how it looked. I'll come back, y'all, because like I said, I don't know. These are how the nails came out. So I think they turned out okay. Disregard my finger right there. I had some skin coming off or whatever. But yeah, these are the nails I like. I don't know how long they're going to last, but that's what they look like, you guys. Okay? And like I said, I use these little things right here, the little plastic things. And those are the nails I got left. And yeah, so yeah. Okay. All right, y'all. It's the next day. The nails held out. Look at that. Look at that. So let me show y'all. The nails, they're okay. So this is my outfit check of the day. This is what I'm wearing, getting out of here. So by the time y'all see this vlog or video, I'll be back home already. So I'm waiting on my watch to charge. I already have my bag packed right here. So let me take that. I'm waiting on my Uber, and then I'll be leaving out of here. And I'm waiting on my coffee. But in the meantime, I'm going to do some exercise before the ride gets here. And here's my bag. I just have like orange juice. I got a sandwich in here. This is my juice, my carrot juice I told y'all that I was gonna make. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. I was just checking in. Okay. Oh, and I have my hair in these little plait things on each side. Just easy maintenance, because I don't think we're doing anything like the first day. So yeah. first stop. Take it all in, y'all. So let me give y'all a tour. Here we go. You go to the right. Here is your master bedroom. Got a window, cabinetry, bins, pretty bed, another window. And then if you go to the left, you have a closet. Here's your bathroom to the right of that. Really nice stand-up shower, really nice. Yeah. Everything is right here. Let me see where the light is at. There go the light, so y'all can see how much room we have. And this goes into the bedroom. And if I turn back around this way, there's luggage. Here is the kitchen. There's the refrigerator. Got a stove, microwave. Look at that. Got the hood. Beautiful, y'all. This is Airbnb. You do not have to rent hotels at all. Absolutely beautiful. You got a couch, somewhere to sit down. We have TV and we have access to videos and all kinds of stuff. Look at our little friend. So cute. Now look at these horses. Super pretty. Super pretty. And drop my coat. Jules. Right there. She's so cute. Y'all look at all that. Look at all that. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I'm gonna end this vlog because I am tired. I just wanted to show y'all how the place looks at night. Yeah, I couldn't really figure out like how to work the TV situation, so we ain't worried about that because we got phones and you can watch TV on your phone. Yeah, but this is the kit. Yeah, this is so cute. Little kitchenette, nice stove. Look at that. Got the goods. This is the freezer. Right layer. That bread was already there in ours. But yeah, hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. Yep. So I will check you guys out tomorrow. Okay? Oh, I put just enough coffee. It smells good in here. Mm-hmm. Good morning. I'm gonna go outside for a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh. This is what I wake up to. Look at that. Y'all see the horses? See the horses? Hey, Jules. Uh-oh, don't knock me down, Jules. Don't knock me down, Jules. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Y'all see Jules? But yeah, look at that. Look at that. How beautiful is that? So today is the day, y'all. Mama's taking a shower. I'm gonna get in there next. Gotta fix my hair. But I just wanted to show y'all how that looks out here. So yeah, I caught an Uber to my mom's, and then we got on the freeway from there. So we are here. We are here, overlooking those beautiful mountains. Ain't that awesome? So I'll check back with y'all later. I'm gonna have my coffee and enjoy my time here. It is absolutely amazing. Hopefully my brother will join us so we could have some barbecue and enjoy that fire pit. Yeah, guys, so let me know. I'm giving y'all some ideas of when you do Airbnb, you can do campers, and it's beautiful, y'all. Hot water, you can take a shower, you can eat, you can go to bed, you're not missing anything, and you can enjoy these beautiful horses right here. All right, I'll check back with y'all later. Y'all, I am here. I'm at the funeral home, and I'm not gonna be on here long. I'm not gonna show so much, because like I said, it's very personal, it's my family. But I just wanted to say hi, click in and talk to y'all for a second. I do not like this, but I'm just gonna show y'all of my auntie. Very beautiful lady, but this is the bathroom. Very, very beautiful. Look at the door. So I'll catch you guys back a little later.
Nothing like that.
Okay.
Because some people you don't complain about making wrong.
Sit down, Jules. Sit, Jules. Sit. Sit, good girl. Good girl. She's so cute. Good girl. Y'all, it is about, sit down. No. Come on, let's go take a walk. It's about, it's gonna get up to 65 today. So, y'all, here's the outfit of the day. I got on my turtleneck, by the way, with my Uggs. A little warm. Having some coffee out here. Y'all, look at this. Let's go say hi to the horses. Get this view, because it's gonna be the last time for this view for a little while. Y'all, look at the horses. Y'all see the horses? They're so cute. Look at them. Y'all see the baby one over there? Aw, so cute. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like a, what would we call this? Road trip to VA, and yeah, with Jules and the horses. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Ooh.